In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your bank account to Cash App without using a debit card. Cash App no longer allows linking a bank account without a debit card, but there is a simple workaround using Bitcoin to move your funds safely. First, open your Cash App and make sure you're logged in. On the home screen, tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner to access your banking options. Scroll down until you see the Bitcoin section. If it's not visible, ensure the Bitcoin functionality is enabled in your account. Tap Deposit Bitcoin, and you will see your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Copy this address carefully, because this is where you'll send the Bitcoin from an external platform. Next, go to a cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or any other platform that allows bank deposits. Deposit the amount you want to transfer from your bank account, for example, $200. Choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency to purchase and complete the transaction. Now you have Bitcoin in your exchange wallet. To transfer Bitcoin to Cash App, go to your exchange wallet, select Withdraw, and paste your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address. Make sure to select the Bitcoin network for the transfer. Double-check all details before confirming. Depending on network activity, the Bitcoin should appear in your Cash App Bitcoin wallet within minutes to an hour. Once the Bitcoin is in Cash App, open the Bitcoin section, tap Sell, and convert the Bitcoin into USD. The funds will be added directly to your Cash App balance, and you can use them like normal for payments, transfers, or withdrawals to your linked bank account. Remember to always verify your Bitcoin wallet address before sending, as cryptocurrency transactions cannot be reversed. Also, note that buying and selling Bitcoin may involve small fees, so keep that in mind when transferring funds. And that's how you transfer money from your bank account to Cash App without using a debit card, by using Bitcoin as an intermediary.